So, audience, the topic I have taken today is though a regular topic, but there is a difference in understanding the same thing. Life is actually a big process. And if you consider life as your teacher, there is no better teacher. See, the teaching of life is start from the mother's womb, and then life start from there. And this process goes on till we depart from this world. Between our arrival and departure, we are aware that we have come. But from now on, how much time is left over for us to conduct our day-to-day activities, it depends purely on what is fixed for us at the departure time. So the departure time, though it is going to come in our life, but it is not known when. However, we consider that our life is a span of 100 years, and then we divide it into 4 stages. The first stage of life will be childhood. When we look at our childhood, I can easily divide the childhood into 3 parts. Infancy to 6th year age, then from 6th year to 15th year age, and from 16th to college and university. That makes us 21 years, approximately 23 years when we come out of our post-graduation. Now during the span, how the life develops. See, what a person is, we can start only knowing when he crosses the age of his teens. Till teens, his lifestyle will be very, very different. Because in the infant age and in the early age, they will be as taught by their elders, parents, or their school teachers. But once they enter into their teens and a little above, they start asserting themselves. That is a time when they take the direction of the life. And this direction, when they take, they get into their real prime age, that is called youth. And youth age, once it starts, it takes them through the college and university, and then from there to their real life, that what they have studied, what they have acquired knowledge, and whatever they have accumulated, all those things they will be utilizing for looking forward for a career. But when you look for career, I consider the youth can be divided into 2 parts. One is between 21 to 30, when career, getting their job, completing their education, all that comes in, and possibly also looking for the partner of the life to carry further. And 30 to 40 is a time when the next 10 years, when a person really starts settling down. If he has not done his duties properly during his early ages, before 21, then this 30 to 40 will give him lot of pain. But if he has done his homeworks properly and he has built his life, career, everything properly, he has taken a proper direction, then 30 to 40 will be upstaging himself from one stage to the other. That's how he moves forward. But once he comes to the 30s, 40s, it's a very, very crucial junction, because he is already married and have a child, and this future of the child, all this is very important. For this, I give a person 4 important categories. How he should be in life. That means he should be a very wealthy man. But everybody thinks the moment I tell wealthy means lots of money. No, I am not talking about money. Wealth has got 4 major parts. The first part of the is a character. The second part is health. The third part is knowledge. The fourth part is the financial status. Here I have given the 4th and the last importance to the financial status. Character is built up during schooling. It is nurtured and developed and established that this man is like this during his youth age. That is a time when his character is identified and appreciated, and also wherever there are lacuna, it is pinpointed and people reject him, accept him, or like him or dislike him. That is a stage where his character takes him. Hence he stabilizes his character before he leaves his university education. Second is, during all these phases, right from his 6th year age, because once he slowly reduced to come from the parents' angle, once he starts going to school, his health factor is very important. What are the factors that he has to take in health? Health primary, he should be connected to his physical health first. And the physical health is, he should every day do some exercises. And those exercises can be different. You can call it a yoga, you can call it a regular exercise, whatever it may be. But you must have to do a physical work. And that physical work will make your body sweat. And that indirectly will keep all the organs of the body healthy. And that is the stage. And once you get into this habit of getting up early, going and doing jogging, exercises, and if you are doing yoga, then you do pranayam, breathing exercise. See, COVID people today are suffering. Yesterday I got an article from Apollo doctor that a patient who was affected by COVID has really recovered because of the pranayama and Surya Namaskaram which she did. See, these are the certain things which you don't build up at a young age. Later age, you don't know how do you come out of it. So it's a very, very important factor. Then once you establish your health good, then your mind will be automatically good. As Swami Vivekananda says, a healthy body will always have a healthy mind. And then we move on to this next portion is knowledge. Knowledge is something which is not bookish. Stay away from that idea of bookish. Recently I visited one scientist research center, and in that center one poster is there for all of us to read, and I was very much happy to see that is written there is that if you have satisfied your learning, whatever you learn from your book, then there is no place for you in this research center. You can please leave. A person who is satisfied with the knowledge of books, that means he has totally closed his chapter. He is not going to develop. The knowledge from the book is the information delivered by others. But that knowledge you have not experimented in your life, whether it is right or wrong. A knowledge that cannot develop it as a discriminative power in you, vichikshana jnanam, you will not be going further in life. So very, very important factor is you must understand that whatever you have acquired through the literacy, you have to convert that into knowledge by experimenting them in your life. And wherever you find them not suitable and not appropriately fed to you, then you have to correct it. You have to improve it and you have to go further. This is a very important organ of knowledge, because the only asset out of the wealth column that can help you throughout your life is knowledge. If your health is not good, your knowledge will help what to do. If you are financially not good, it will tell you how to handle your finance. It is the knowledge that if your family misunderstandings happens, then your knowledge gives you an idea how to handle situations. If something else happens in your career, your job prospects or your business prospects, then it is the knowledge that gives you the help. So these are the four parts of one single word, wealth. Wealth is clearly divided into character, health, knowledge, and then the last one is the financial one. What is financial? Financial is what you earn by doing your work. That work can be a job, that can be a business, that can be a profession like a sportsman or a cinema actor or anyone else. You can be a lawyer who is in a profession, you can be a doctor who is in a profession. You need not get employed. You can be a chartered accountant, you can be anybody. You can be an advisor to many companies. You have to standardize your financial position by choosing the right career for yourself. And that right career which suits you. Right career not which suits somebody else. Your career is yours. You love to be a research scholar, you want to develop yourself in a scientific field, then that is your field. No, you wanted to be a teacher, then you have to be a teacher, a lecturer, a professor, a dean, a vice chancellor. That's your career. From there you get your money. You are a businessman, then you have to learn to do entrepreneurship and then handle your business, expand your business, grow, establish and become a corporate hero. These are the traits that you have to develop. And through that resource only you will develop your financial personal things. And during all this course in your life there are four integral very important parts. One is your partner, that is your wife, your children, then your parents. These are very, very important partner, and the most crucial partner is the friends. Somebody told me long back when I was young back, who are your friends, he asked me. Well, I said, so and so are my friends. Yes, that gives me enough idea that what kind of thinking you will have in your mind and what kind of approach you have to life. So latterly I came to know about a nice quote or a proverb that tell me who are your friends, I will tell you who you are. This is very correct, because family is wife, is parents, is children and friends. If you don't have these four in proper order, then your lifestyle will not be excellent. So my request to all of you is, you are all very intelligent people. You built up your life on a right frame of mind. You built up your entire health on a right perspectives. Do not start believing what you listen. Do not start accepting what 100 people say. Majority never speaks truth. If all scientists they would have heard the people that they are telling in majority में आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते, क्यों परेशान होते हैं, ये कैसे होगा? So nobody would have developed anything. No new discovery would have happened. No innovations would have happened in the world. So please be careful. Build yourself step by step. Build yourself. The life is a process. There is nothing called end and beginning. Because whatever you do in this process, whatever you create, that will be passed on to the generations. You are not an individual. Though you appear to be an individual, but you are a team player. This team is a huge team, is a universal team. Right from the God to the end at the graveyard, we have a team. Thank you very much.